Hello friends, today we are going to be focusing on our weathering, erosion, minerals, and rocks review. So we're going to turn to the page that should be numbered 7 that says minerals on the bottom. Now we're going to be reviewing minerals and rocks first. Then we're going to be talking about resources and weathering and erosion. So a mineral is a solid material formed in nature or in Earth's crust with its own properties. With its own properties. The first one that we have is cleavage, a property used to describe how easily a mineral breaks apart along smooth surfaces. Color is a property of a mineral that describes the shade of pigment. Our next one is luster, a property of a mineral that describes how it appears when it reflects light. Reflects light. A streak is the color of the powder of a mineral when it is rubbed on a streak plate. And then the next one is hardness, a property of a mineral that describes how easily it can be scratched. And on the bottom, all rocks are made of minerals. So right there is the notes. I'm going to pause it now and let you catch up. And then we're going to be talking about rocks on the next page. Okay, page 8. We're talking about the different kinds of rocks. Igneous is rock that is formed from cool magma or lava. Metamorphic rock is rock that is formed from heat and pressure. And sedimentary rock is pieces of other rocks and fossilized organisms. So here's your examples of each. Now we're talking about weathering and erosion. Weathering is the breaking down of rock by wind, water, ice, temperature change, and plants. Sometimes trees break rocks. And erosion is the movement of the rock. So weathering is wearing it down, and erosion is the movement by gravity, wind, water, and ice. Put that there. Those are all of the notes for rocks. That's what we need to know for rock cycle. And weathering and erosion. Okay, our next page is 9, is going to be on resources. Renewable resources are a resource that can be replaced in a reasonable amount of time. And such as solar energy, air, wind, water, soil, and plants. Non-renewable resources is a resource that once used can't be replaced in a reasonable amount of time, such as fossil fuels, oil, gas, coal, iron, salt, and phosphate. And our resources in Florida are water, phosphate, oil, limestone, silicon, wind, and solar energy. And those are our notes for resources.